We start tonight with the dangerous Delta variant spreading like fire in Missouri.
The new ripple effect, a wave of increased testing at local sites. Our Emma Hogue is finding clinics and doctors are struggling to keep up with demand. Emma.
Sam, right now we're at Total Access Urgent Care off of 44 and Hampton, and across the company's 24 open locations, I'm told they're testing about 1,000 people each day. And keep in mind, that is double the number of people that they were testing in just May. And it's a pattern we're not just seeing here at Total Access, but at testing sites across St. Louis.
And it was a requirement to get back into the country.
Morgan Moore is in the Air Force. Her home base is in Germany. After a visit to St. Louis to visit family, her ticket back to Germany Wednesday is a negative COVID-19 test.
I mean, I wish I didn't have to get it done, but you know, if that's what it takes to see my family.
Whether you're testing for travel, an exposure, or COVID-like symptoms, healthcare providers across St. Louis say testing has spiked dramatically in recent weeks. The leading cause, the Delta variant running rampant in Missouri.
We are considerably busier, at least 25% busier than we were 6 weeks ago.
Dr. Troy Dinkle with Total Access Urgent Care says in June, his company averaged about 500 tests per day with a 5.4% positivity rate. But fast forward to today.
And now we have over 1,100 patients a day that get tested, so well over doubled. And the positivity rate is over 15%.
There are a lot of exposures because of the number of cases that we have out in the community.
Spring Schmidt with St. Louis County Health says the department is now averaging 2,100 tests per day with an 11% positivity rate, drastically up from the 1,000 tests they averaged each day in May.
When we see that start to rise, it means there are other people, very likely, many people out there in their community who are COVID positive, who are probably not testing.
I would say in the last week, we've done more tests in one day sometimes than we did for the previous 6 months combined.
Even smaller, locally owned pharmacies like St. Louis Hills Pharmacy are scrambling from the surge. Owner Dr. Tyler Taylor now looking to provide rapid PCR testing where results are ready in just minutes.
It's bad to tell people, yes, you have COVID, and now you could possibly be spreading COVID as well.
So if you're having frequent exposures with people who aren't vaccinated, doctors recommend getting tested regularly, and they say that's about once a month or so. Sam?
And Emma, we know early on in the outbreak that testing was free. Is there a cap now on testing? Will people be paying out of pocket?
Sam, we found out there's no cap with the St. Louis County Health Department. You can get tested as many times as you want, and it's always free, and it's free here at Total Access as long as you have insurance.
All right, Emma Hogue live for us in South St. Louis tonight. Thank you.